Here is the AI Tinder application. So pretty much like Tinder, pay to swipe left or right if you like the person, and that's really pretty much this application here. So in the discover section, you're also able to see a lot of different chatbots which you can speak with. You can go at the top here to search as well. I don't want to scroll much because there's some things can already post on YouTube, so I'm going to leave that part out. As you can see here, you can tap on the create option to create your character as it relates to you and who this AI chatbot will pretty much be speaking with. You can as well create your AI photo, you can create AI videos as well with this application. And at the top, you pretty much will see a money icon, which pretty much is the currency of this application here. So you're going to need to purchase currency. As you can see here, you can see the prices and pretty much everything that we'll be getting as it relates to this. So those are going to be important for you to speak with chatbots, pretty much unlock some of these chatbots. And as well, in the chat section, this is pretty much where you see pretty much all the chats as it relates to you speaking with these chatbots or AI. And as well, you can be able to add some of them to your favorites if you have any. So the chatbot news, as you can see here, will show you some information as it relates to the application. And as well, you have a dating coach here, as you can see here, will give you some information as well. And as well, you can swipe across to pretty much add it as your favorite. So once it's been added as your favorite, as you can see here, top on the add as favorite, and you can move to the favorite section here. So that's how to pretty much use the application. And as well, they do give you option to see who likes your photos and so forth. You can check on that option. But more than likely, you may need a subscription for some of these features. But the application mostly run off coins or, as you can see here, cash looking at in our box. So that's really pretty much it for that section here. And as well, you can go in the profile option here to get their pro subscription. So to get their pro subscription here, you can see what to be getting as it relates to their pro subscription and their monthly subscription here. So nothing much for that. Very, very Tinder-based application here. And if you still don't understand how to use it, let me know in the comments section and see if we can help you. See you in the next one.